What's up, everyone? All right, so we're at the HOH Rainforest, Rainforest, day 2 of our Olympic National Park pre-Alaska trip. We're going to see the hollow mosses. On the way there, we saw some huge banana slugs. Also, as we walked through, we got a nice surprise of a Roosevelt elk. So that was a pleasant surprise, something cool to see. And at the end of the hike, we saw this monster black slug. He was just huge. So hope you like it. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Hit the bell so you get notifications. We got a lot more stuff coming from Alaska and so forth. And with that, roll the intro. About to go on another hike today. A little rainy. What's up, B? I still like the furry trees, Sue. Like you called them yesterday.
Yep.
Furry trees. That's where we're going. Hall of Mosses. To the left. Licorice moss, is that what it's called?
Look at that.
Look at that tree just broke off right there.
Licorice fern.
Licorice fern. Okay. Don't look like licorice to me, but okie dokie. Look how clear that water is. You could probably drink that.
Oh, I'm sure.
You might have some microorganisms in there, probably not good for you, but you put one of them little filter tablets in your water, you'd be good to go. I don't see no fish.
None.
No fish.
That water is so clear.
Yeah, I was saying you just put like a little filter tab in your water, you could probably drink it. Ah, this is like Avatar right here. Wow. Look at this cool twisty tree. It's cool right here. Look at this.
Look how it snapped and then went back.
It did, didn't it?
Yeah. What did it
Like
do?
it snapped. It like
this when it snapped. Yeah. It shot back.
it shot back this way. Look, it just twigged it. Ow. Here.
Look at that. Wow. Look how long that was.
Tree.
You just can't explain that.
How tall that is. That's a couple 100 feet. It's kind of crazy looking, B. It's the roots, twisty roots. Then you got all this moss. There's like 4 trees in one.
It is. It's a banana slug.
Wow, he's back in there. Look at that. See him?
Yeah. What moss?
Maybe it's different. Hall of Mosses. Hall of Mosses. Look at all the mosses on all these trees. Got a lot of moss on it. Hey, so I want to find out what lives in there.
It's raining now.
That thing hanging down like that. Oh, you found another slug?
This one's kind of Oh man, look at that one. He's like a leopard. Oh, you see him close up?
Oh, look, there's a black one right there.
Oh, there's him. God, look at all the moss on this thing.
Mom, well, he don't ever have to worry about hunting for food. Look at that black one.
What? Oh my God. Look.
What?
There's an elk back in there. That's a big old elk back there.
He's eating the ferns.
Look at that.
That's why they call him the elk fern.
Man, he's a big one. He ain't got a care in the world, man.
Spider.
Huh?
Spider.
Where?
I don't know how people haven't researched. You should turn yourself up.
Look at how they like married the roots together.
Huh?
Did you know why I have shaky hands?
Oh, is that what they call the log when they grow it out?
Man, how about
So that they call the downed
Not even-
tree a
not
nurse
doing
log?
anything. It's been like this since high school. I've always had shaky hands. That's why it's hard for me to take pictures. Look, see? Big old slug right there.
Oh, there's another one. Yeah,
I found one?
Yep.
that one don't have no
I
spots.
keep looking and I never see it.
You got to look at like the base,
Where there's a lot of moisture
like
and
to the
stuff.
base to like halfway up. That's when you'll see a
Let's see
lot
if he's
of
got any friends. I'll fart on him.
Hunker down. Bryce's new home. It's your avatar. Dang, that's a big old log. Look at that thing, goes all the way down there. The trunk is 190 feet.
We found out what
He's
what
a
this
monster.
thing
Just finished HOH River Forest. We're going to Ruby Beach. Rainforest. And we're going to Ruby Beach. Hopefully this rain will stop. If not, oh well. Later.
Well, there you have it. HOH Whole Rainforest, Olympic National Park. Like I said, saw that Hall of Mosses was really cool. So hopefully you liked it. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, because we got Ruby Beach coming up, and then Alaska. And thanks for watching. See you next time.